Good afternoon, John. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk to you about something important. As you know, our shipment is already very late, and we're in a tight spot. I need your help to work some overtime to get this delivery back on track.
Hi, boss. I understand the situation, but I've got some family commitments tonight. I can't work overtime today.
I understand that you have family obligations, John. But this is a critical situation, and we need everyone on board to fix it. How about I offer you double pay for the overtime? It would be a significant boost to your earnings for today.
I appreciate the offer, but my family is counting on me, and I can't let them down. I can't work overtime today, even for double pay.
John, I'm trying to be understanding here. But this is a big problem for the company. If we don't get this shipment out on time, it could hurt our reputation, and we might even lose important clients. I don't want to go down the disciplinary route. But if you don't help us out, I might have no other choice.
I know it's tough, but my family needs me tonight. I can't change that, no matter what the consequences are.
John, I respect your commitment to your family, but we're all part of this team, and we have a responsibility to the company as well. I need you to reconsider, even if it's just for tonight. We'll make it up to you somehow.
I understand the importance of the situation, but I can't be there tonight. I hope the company can find a way to manage without me for a few hours.
Well, John, I've heard your side, and I respect your decision. I'll have to see if we can find an alternative solution. Let's hope it doesn't negatively impact the company too much.
Hey, honey, it's me. Listen, I've got a bit of a situation at work. The shipment is really late, and my manager asked me to work overtime tonight.
Oh, John. We've been planning this family party for so long. Are you sure you can't make it?
I know, and I really want to be there with you and the kids, but it's a mess at work. They're counting on me to stay and help fix this.
I understand, John, but it's not nice to leave your team like that.
I know, it's just one of those things. I feel terrible about it. I talked to my manager about it, and he even offered double pay, but I still couldn't agree.
Well, if it's that important, we can postpone our family party to next week. I'm sure everyone will understand.
Thanks, hon. I really appreciate your understanding. I promise I'll make it up to everyone next week.
Don't worry, John. We'll be fine. Just do what you have to do at work. And we'll be here waiting for you when you get home.
Boss, I've had a talk with my wife, and I've thought it through. I'm ready to work overtime to help with the shipment. I understand it's really important.
John, that's great news. I appreciate your willingness to step up. It's a big help, and the team will be grateful.
I'm here to support the team, and I don't want to let anyone down.
Thank you, John. Your commitment means a lot.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.